everyone, welcome to Housey. My name is Shruti and today we will unveil the teaser of Prestige City's most awaited 12th tower by Prestige Groups, located in Rajendra Nagar on Shamshabad Road, Hyderabad, Telangana. Just next to the property we have Agricultural University and just front of me is the Shamshabad Road connecting directly to the Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and further you can see the neighborhood localities of this project. So guys, in this video we will be talking about several points such as project overview, location connectivity, area, amenities, booking and launching process and much more. Well, talking about Housey, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly to builders, providing them rock bottom rate and helping the buyers to find their dream home. At first, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across a huge land parcel of 64 acres, consisting of a forum mall, premium apartments and luxurious villas. Well, talking about the apartments in brief, the apartments having 13 towers with an elevation of G plus 41 residential floors and 3 basements, complemented by 119 luxurious villas. Well, talking about the apartments, it will be having premium 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK with a maid's room. So now coming to the location part. This project is located bang on Shamshabad Main Road in Rajendra Nagar. Agricultural University is just beside the project. ORR exit number 17 is just 10 minutes away and High Tech City is in 30 minutes reach. Neopolis Kokapet is just 30 minutes away and Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is in 20 minutes reach. Well, talking about the amenities part, this project has 50 plus ultra luxurious amenities, starting with the clubhouse spread across 1,20,000 square feet of area, going with an Olympic-sized swimming pool, after which we have a promenade area spread across more than 1 kilometer of area consisting of sitting area, an open gym, amphitheater, walking and jogging track, etc. Well, moving forward to the configurations part, this project, as said, has premium 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK with maid's room. Well, at first talking about 2 BHK, it ranges to 1,174 square feet area. Well, next talking about 2.5 BHK, ranging from 1,534 going up to 1,548 square feet area, perfect for a cozy family living. Further talking about 3 BHK, it ranges from 1,631 going up to 2,238 square feet area. Well, going with 3.5 BHK, it ranges from 2,433 square feet area, blending with space and luxury. Lastly, talking about the 4 BHK with maid's room, it ranges from 3,355 square feet going up to 3,431 square feet. Well, lastly, talking about the booking process, if you are interested in this project, you can click the link mentioned in the description box and book your slot for the site visit. The marketing office invites you. You can come here and have a look at the miniature models and have a tour at the sample flat. So everyone, this was the teaser of Prestige City by Prestige Groups, located on Shamshabad Highway, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.